Number 15. While making rounds, Nurse Mia finds that the client's IV of IV ringer lactate or lactated ringer was running at 75 ml per hour. The Cardex stated that the IV ordered was D5 water pala. So, big difference, okay? The nurse's notes in the chart stated that the IV had been changed 2 hours ago and the drip rate has been set. The first thing that the nurse would do is, kung ikaw si Nurse Mia, okay, nakita mo na naka D5, naka LR yung patient. Pero ang order pala ay D5 water. What will you do? Change the IV solution, inform the person who hung, make out an incident report, or report the incident to the nurse in charge. Answer here is letter A. Okay, remember, unahin mo muna ang kapakanan ni patient. Patient first. Okay? Hindi naman dito na-mention no, kung ano yung condition ni patient, but there are instances na kung saan bawal ang certain IV medication. Okay? Like for example, the patient is receiving a blood transfusion. Nakita mo, ang nakalagay ay D5 water. So, ang mangyayari, bawal talaga. Okay? Masisira lang yung blood products mo. Okay? And it can also react sa patient. Kaya dapat unahin mo munang palitan kaagad yung solution. Regardless kung gaano siya katagal, as long as nakita mo siya, ikaw ang nakakita, you have to change the IV solution first. This is promoting patient safety. Okay? Then right after that, you can now do the reporting. Okay? Sabi nga dito, making out an incident report would be one of the things the nurse would do later. Unahin mo muna yung pasyente.